Welcome to Langston Place Assisted Living, where seniors thrive in Clinton, South Carolina, 939 Springdale Drive. Our community is all one floor, no elevators, no stairs. Throughout Langston Place, we have many areas where people can sit and enjoy each other's company. We call this our small dining room. Residents can have small parties in here, birthdays, anniversaries, and even garden clubs or Bible studies. Residents enjoy their activity room where they do bingo, crafts, painting, cooking, anything that appeals to them. Langston Place has a beautiful courtyard where residents sit outside, they garden. All four doors go back into the interior, so it's a safe, included area for residents to enjoy. Within the courtyard, residents plant flowers, tomatoes, squash, or just sit and enjoy each other's company. There are many sitting areas around the building where residents can sit and enjoy their friends. Here is a computer, we call this the resident computer, where they can Zoom and talk to their families. Residents have a nice studio apartment where they can have a full or queen bed. Resident apartments also have a nice kitchenette area, which comes with a refrigerator, freezer, and microwave. Resident bathrooms are handicap accessible. Don't have to step over a tub to get into the bathroom.